Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your bet slip on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you have to add one or many events to your bet slip. For example, this Athletic Bilbao match, we can click on it. Then, predict an outcome, for example, double chance of Athletic Bilbao. Click on that, add to bet slip. Then, come back to the previous page, go to your bet slip. Then, as you can see, it has been added to your bet slip. The bet you want to do. But you can edit it as you want. You can even delete it. For example, here I'll delete this bet. And as you've seen, it has been deleted from my bet slip. And that will be all for the edition of bet slips on 1xBet.